Hello everyone. Welcome to Understanding Artificial Intelligence, a beginner's guide. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer science fiction. From voice assistants like Siri and Alexa to self-driving cars and recommendation engines, AI is everywhere, transforming the way we live, work, and interact with technology. So, what exactly is artificial intelligence? AI is the simulation of human intelligence in machines. These smart systems can learn, reason, and make decisions just like us. It brings together technologies like machine learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and robotics to perform complex tasks autonomously and intelligently. Let's break it down. How does AI actually work? It all starts with algorithms, computational power, and a ton of data. 1. Machine learning (ML). Machine learning is the heart of AI. It enables machines to learn from data just like we learn from experience. Imagine teaching a child the difference between a dog and a cat by showing them pictures. Over time, they start to recognize patterns. AI works the same way, learning from examples and improving with time. It powers things like fraud detection, movie recommendations, and predictive analytics. 2. Neural networks. Inspired by the human brain, neural networks use artificial neurons to process information. When AI looks at a photo, it identifies features like eyes, ears, or a tail and uses layers of processing to decide what it's seeing. The more it learns, the smarter and more accurate it becomes. 3. Natural language processing (NLP). NLP helps machines understand and respond to human language. It's how Alexa understands your commands, or how Google Translate converts text in seconds. NLP powers chatbots, voice assistants, and even sentiment analysis tools used in social media and marketing. 4. Computer vision. Computer vision allows machines to see and interpret visual information. From facial recognition to self-driving cars, AI breaks down images into data and makes sense of the visual world. It's used in healthcare diagnostics, security systems, and augmented reality. 5. Robotics. Robotics brings AI to life in the form of physical machines. Think about robotic vacuum cleaners that map out your home or advanced industrial robots in factories and hospitals. With AI, robots can think, adapt, and work independently, revolutionizing automation across industries. So, why does AI matter so much? Increased productivity automates repetitive and complex tasks. Smarter decisions analyzes big data for actionable insights. Better customer experience through chatbots and personalization. Medical breakthroughs aiding diagnosis, treatment, and research. Enhanced security detects threats before they cause damage. Looking to build a future in AI? You're in luck. It's one of the fastest growing fields. Here are some exciting roles to explore. Machine learning engineer builds algorithms and models. Data scientist turns data into insights. AI researcher pushes the boundaries of what AI can do. NLP specialist works on language-focused AI. Computer vision engineer develops AI that sees. Robotics engineer builds intelligent robots. Artificial intelligence is not just the future, it's the present. From learning and automation to creativity and problem solving, AI is reshaping our world. If you are curious and ready to explore, now is the perfect time to dive into the world of AI. If you liked this video, let us know in the comments box which topic you'd like us to cover next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.